Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to choose a browser for links opened from the Discord app. When you click a link someone sends in the Discord chat, your computer or your mobile opens it in your system's default web browser. So what do? You have to change it. For example, you can try to choose the web browser you want. Now if you're using an iPhone, what you do is that you open the settings and then you scroll down and find the browser you want to set as default, and you might need to install it first, and then you choose it as a default browser app. Now for Android, this is how you do it. Once you open the Discord app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you scroll all the way down until you see the option for web browser. Tap on it, and now you have two options. You can use the inner browser to open the links or external browser. So if I choose this, I can choose any of the two. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, once you change it, all links you click in Discord will automatically open in your newly chosen browser.